Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we want to talk about merging Pointwise project files together with respect to using frameworks. Frameworks allow you to create geometries and topologies in their own independent coordinate systems, and you may find it even more convenient to create those separate geometries and topologies in separate project files. And that's where using Pointwise's merging capability comes in handy. I have the eSave tutorial geometry and grid imported here. I've gone ahead and renamed my root framework to eSave. I've added an intermediate transform framework that can be used to transform the GBU12 later. And then I finally created this lower level GBU12 framework that we can place the actual GBU geometry and grid into. The most important thing to remember before importing a new project file and merging it is to make sure that the framework you want the new grid that's imported to go into is the active framework. So I've selected the GBU12 framework. I'm going to set it to active. I'll go to the File menu, click Open. Pointwise is going to first ask me, do I want to save my recent changes? I'm going to say no in this case. I'll select the GBU12 volume mesh restart file, click Open, and now it gives me one final choice what to do with this open file. Do I want to replace what I have or append? And the important decision here, of course, is that I want to append this GBU12 geometry and topology to the existing eSave geometry and topology that I have, and of course insert it into that new framework. And once it has done so, we will see our new GBU12 grid and geometry. One thing to keep in mind that you'll see immediately is that if I zoom out here, I can no longer see the eSave geometry and topology itself, and that's because when you append a file like this, its seen or saved view and also its layering takes precedence over what was already set prior to appending that file. So in order to see the eSave geometry and grid again, I just need to go to the Layer Manager and turn on those pertinent layers in order to see that topology. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.